counties in Pennsylvania, Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, northern Wayne, Pike, southern Wayne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. Gusty wind across the higher elevations this afternoon. Southeast winds are turning blustery this afternoon, coming in at around 20 to 25 miles per hour across the higher elevations of New York and northeast Pennsylvania this afternoon. Gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour, with some isolated gusts in excess of 40 miles per hour, will be possible. Blustery conditions have already led to some reports of downed trees. Across the lower elevations, winds mainly at around 10 to 15 miles per hour should continue to see gusts up to 20 to 30 miles per hour. Winds turn calmer into the evening hours. The nearshore marine forecast for